Can't change your username in TikTok on your iPhone? Well, no worries. In this video, I'll show you how you can change your TikTok username on your iPhone. So, without wasting any more time, let's get started. Solution 1. Change TikTok username. First, open up the TikTok app, then tap on the profile icon from the bottom right corner. After that, tap Edit Profile. Next, tap Username, and here you can change your TikTok username. But remember that you can change your username once every 30 days. Make sure it has been at least 30 days since your last username change. Solution 2. Clear TikTok data. Go to the TikTok app. After that, tap on the profile icon from the bottom. Then tap on the 3-line icon from the top. Next, tap Settings and Privacy. Now scroll down and tap Free Up Space. Now tap Clear to reduce the cache. If you still have the same issue, then follow the next solution. Solution 3. Update the TikTok app. Open up the App Store. Tap on the search icon from below. Type TikTok. Tap on TikTok from here. If you see any updates available there, then simply tap and update the TikTok app. Check your issue to see whether it is solved or not. Now go to the TikTok app and try to log in again. Hope it works. And if you have any questions, then please ask them in the comments below and I'll get back to you real soon. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.